Hello and welcome. I've got in front of me a Carado Ford off-road camper van. This is the edition 15 4x4 version, and for this you're looking at a starting price of around 70,000 euros. So being on a Ford, it's very high. I want to try and show it to you in under 3 minutes. Now if I come to the back here, we've got a widthwise bed, we've got storage all the way around. On one side we've got a window, and on the other side we haven't, so you put your pillows up there presumably. And obviously there are also windows in the back, and there's also a blackout blind for the windows. To look at the storage, it looks something like that. Here we have, below me, there is a fridge. It opens both ways. There's a sink over here. We've got two burners, and under that of course we've got drawers. Note the very unusual shape of the kitchen block. Behind me we've got a door which pushes open. There is the toilet, large duckboard and shower area for a vehicle of this size. There's also a fixed sink, and there we've got got a mirror, and notice how much space there is around me as well. Here we've got storage for whatever it is you take into the bathroom with you, and up here we've got the semi-dinette. It's got a table which can be extended. There's a forward facing bench. You've got storage there. It opens up like that, and note it's this one. It's on manual base. It's got this unusual recessed dashboard at the front. I don't really know what the point of that is, but somebody might know. I think it's good. It seems good to me though for storing things. We've got two mosquito blinds. That is because this one here will come up to there, and that one will come to there. Bit of storage down here in the kitchen block as well. The space for two large gas cylinders under the bed. Obviously the storage under the bed as well. Note how much headroom there is, which I think is also a really attractive point about this vehicle. I have been in the Ford Transit off-road. It's very efficient, very exciting vehicle to actually drive. So I did that in under 3 minutes. Thanks very much for watching. If you want to know more information, then click the below link.